In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make shape in Inkscape. By the end, you'll know how to quickly create rectangles and squares, circles and ellipses, stars and polygons, and even perspective-ready 3D boxes, all with simple keyboard shortcuts. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see a blank canvas with tool icons along the left and a control bar along the top. That top bar is where you'll adjust precise settings for whatever tool you're using. Open an existing document if you already have one, or create a new file to start fresh. Either way, make sure your canvas size and units are set the way you like so your shapes will land at the right scale. Let's begin with rectangles and squares. Press the R key to activate the rectangle tool. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a rectangle of any size. If you want a perfect square, hold the Control key while you drag. Release the mouse to place it. After drawing, you can refine the exact width and height in the top control bar, or grab the selection tool later to reposition or resize your shape. Next, create circles, ellipses, and arcs. Press the E key to switch to the ellipse tool, then click and drag to draw an ellipse. Hold Control while dragging to lock it into a perfect circle. If you want to draw outward from a central point, hold Shift as you drag. You can fine-tune the shape in the top bar and convert an ellipse into an arc if needed using the on-canvas handles. For stars and polygons, press the asterisk key to activate the Stars and Polygons tool. Look to the top control bar and choose Regular Polygon for even-sided shapes or Star for pointed designs. Before or after drawing, adjust the number of corners or points to get the look you want. Click and drag to place the shape, and feel free to tweak those settings afterward for exact results. Finally, let's create 3D boxes. Press Shift plus F4 to enable the 3D box tool. Click and drag to draw a box with built-in perspective. You'll see control handles that let you adjust the dimensions and the vanishing lines so your box aligns with your scene's perspective. This is a great way to quickly block out objects or layouts with depth. Once your shapes are in place, use the selection tool to move, scale, and rotate them, and remember to save your work. That's it. Simple, fast, and precise shape creation in Inkscape.